Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Google Lens. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to log out of your Google Lens, you'll need to log out of your Google account. To do so, open up your Google application and tap on your profile icon at the top right hand corner. Tap on your email address right under your name at the top and tap on Manage Account on this device. Now, go ahead and tap on your Google account email address again and click Remove Account. Tap the Remove Account button one more time in the pop-up at the bottom and you'll be able to log out of your Google Lens account. Alternatively, you can also log out of your Google account by opening the Settings app on your Android phone. Simply go ahead and tap Open Settings from the app drawer and then scroll down and tap on Accounts and Backup. Tap on Manage your Google account right under the Google account that you are logged in with and select your email at the top again. Tap Manage Account on this device, select Google and tap on Remove Account. Those were how you can easily log out of your Google Lens account. If you found the video to be helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.